welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to start 2019 with the leader of the zodiacs, the Capricorn. Lead the way. Alright, we are towards the end. Capricorns out there, you guys have a huge responsibility to lead us to the right path of 2019. No more slacking, negative, none of this BS. I'm gonna do this and not actually do it. It's time for a new beginning. Let's go ahead and start this year with action, baby. Action is the key word. And the only thing that should matter every single day, plan a schedule as if it was a month in a day. Don't put anything off, little or small, whether that's taking out the trash, cleaning the dishes, sweeping the floor, writing a book, getting your driver's license, whatever, filling out an application, being scared, forget all that, put it all behind you. I'm not much of a motivational speaker, but I can tell you who is. Go ahead and check out Gary Vee and Grant Cardone. I've been watching that guy, both of them, and yeah, that's all I gotta say. Yeah, just do it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was pretty cool. Had a lot of fun making it. I combined a couple images to get the water effect on this tree. It's actually just like the top of a tree, but I think it came out pretty cool. I need to make some changes with the channel. I'm debating on whether or not just talking throughout the whole video. I don't know if that would be interesting, and I was thinking about maybe changing or making up the avatar. And of course, I need to just better manage time. I think if you can manage your time well, then you can basically do whatever you want. If anything, you can definitely learn whatever you want. I didn't really add any hidden images in this one. I think I'm going to keep the zodiacs a little bit simpler than the other doodles. Since each zodiac has its own personality trait, I wanted to focus on that a little bit instead of adding hidden images. Of course, there are a few in there. I think Capricorns are known for their business type. I kind of wanted them. I know it kind of looks weird trying to shake a tree. It's a little odd, but if anything, it just shows you that they firm and rooted. Anyways, until next time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash like, of course, and most importantly, peace out.